By the year 2025, there will be 8.6 billion mobile connections and 25 billion IoT connections, generating 163 zettabytes of mobile data. 70 million small cells will be deployed to scale and densify the network capacity. The evolution to 5G and the added complexity of supporting heterogeneous infrastructure require mobile operators to increase efficiency and automate their network processes, all while lowering operational costs. PI Works uSON, powered by advanced network automation and artificial intelligence technologies, is key to achieving these outcomes. uSON is the next-generation network management platform for mobile operators who want to fully automate their network operations on their path to 5G. In today's networks, data mostly remains in silos on disparate systems, and mobile operators cannot fully benefit from this potential goldmine. PI Works uSON platform correlates and analyzes network, customer, and marketing data to extract the hidden value of this goldmine. Our best-in-class products offer near real-time and 24/7 automated network management capabilities hosted on a single intelligent platform. Thanks to its advanced automation algorithms, uSON has demonstrated up to 24% savings in OPEX, 2.4 times higher data volume with the same capacity, 81% reduction in capacity problems in live customer deployments. PI Works offers an unbiased and impartial approach to network management. Any action taken by uSON will be in your best interest, driving network quality improvements and increasing efficiency. Mobile networks with uSON, now smarter, now 5G ready.